Hey everybody, Kia Saskatoon. We got a fresh Sorento here on trade, and keep in mind folks, we take anything in on trade. We take campers, we take TVs, we take boats. We have already taken in a few things, so bring whatever it is that you think that you may not need anymore or want to get rid of, and we will put it towards your purchase of your next vehicle as a trade-in. That's right. So anyways, this Sorento here folks, this is one that I want to talk to you about today, and this is the SX. So you take a look at this one, it's got the nice wheels on, it's got the nice fog lights, it's in a nice black color. This thing has power everything. Power hatch, power locks. Come to the back here as well, you got this nice little sunshade on both sides for your passengers in the rear. You also have the heated rear seats in the back. Yes, there is a third row. This does have third row seating, folks. So we also got the plug-ins here too. Nice and handy to have. This has a huge panoramic moonroof, like ginormous. You want to be able to see the whole sky, you can see the whole sky with like through the roof. It's insane. So anyways, you got your memory seating, you got the blind spot sensors, you got lane departure or lane keeping assist. You also got, yeah, like I mentioned, the power hatch. You got the memory seating, of course, with the lumbar support even, and it's powered. And you come over here, as you can see, adaptive cruise control. We know how some people are, especially here on Circle Drive in Saskatoon. If you're from Saskatoon, some people just keep speeding up and slowing down, and that adaptive cruise becomes handy, let me tell you. This has the navigation as well in it. Has the, oh, this is cool. Check this out. I'm going to put this in the reverse and watch this. You got a 360 camera. That's right. So you will make sure you don't hit anything with this beautiful ride. Not anything. This thing will keep you alert. It has sensors as well. You have the push button start, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and cooled seats even. Once coming down here, you see it has that 4-wheel drive lock. So if you ever get stuck, you will sure be able to get out with that lock button. Makes all your wheels work like 4x4, electronic parking brake, and the drive mode too. So you can change how the vehicle drives a little bit here and there depending on how you feel. Now, this is a 2017 Sorento, and the kilometers are extremely low. So we come over here and take a look. You have only 27,000 kilometers on this vehicle. That is amazing. So come on down, take a test drive. Our product experts are happy to help you to make sure that this is the right vehicle that suits your needs. And we look forward to seeing you here soon. But before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We look forward to seeing you here soon.